Cops, what's the most genius crime you've seen committed? 1. I locked up a guy a few years ago, and he had an unusual crime on his criminal history. Theft of an ATM. I asked him about it, and he told me he was with 4 others, and they all turned up at a local bank in overalls with a large truck. They asked for the manager and told him, "We're here to repair the ATM." The manager helped them load the ATM onto the truck, full of cash, and they drove away. He got snapped when his girlfriend got mad and turned him in. 2. A fire marshal once told me about his nemesis, a firebug naturally. Apparently the arsonist had a thing for burning old barns. Never a building that was in use, always an old abandoned one. Anyway, his modus operandi was to take a balloon filled with accelerant like gasoline or kerosene and suspend it by a string 20 feet plus off the ground. Under the balloon, he'd light a candle and start the balloon swinging on a long arc. He'd have a good 20 plus minutes before the arc of the swing slowed enough that the candle would ignite the balloon. The balloon ignites, the accelerant is spread evenly across all surfaces, and the balloon, string, and candle disappear in the fire. It was like the entire interior of the structure caught fire at the same time, with no trace as to how. He said it was damn near the perfect crime, until some cop happens to notice a car parked in a field a mile away and thinks to jot down the license plate number.